Yeah, my IC.
Right.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to go coffee na IC. Yeah, tender mamuna. I want coffee. Yeah.
Bafa hey Porsche wa dibezori.
Romo ya.
Rosugi.
Welcome back. It's the Street Talk.
Podcast. Rodro zitaratani zokoma na Mose.
Yeah.
Bakayibona na view.
Hey.
We are back.
It is what it is.
I just want to thank everyone and then over episode your Toma. Just want to thank you.
And sazobamba zone wala mfumakazi ari ni dola tabelo na ara muna na finesa tabelo. Niggas gotta hustle. Welcome back.
Remember to like and subscribe when we post this one.
Yeah, man, and drop some comments in Rubudori.
Yeah.
What do you think about our new podcast?
Yeah. Comment
Dare.
Arna ndaba zori comment gore meni.
Hi.
Comment azida.
Azide zinji.
1212 azide.
Ba adakumbuza. Wala mtu ba right kana bo right bakhamburi muna anofuneza tabelo ni dose vanga tabelo kana mtoraro chato mbula zwavudi.
Tabelo yaliwa nini?
Tabelo yaliwa mara.
Mara. Hey.
I don't know if you have about. Hey, Munda. Ever since Ravana that first episode, during the winter, I came across this video, and I think it's Protege or whatever they call them.
Yeah.
The Adolf steering. Mr. Toyando, Mr. Steering. Ziko share kazi WhatsApp kwambiwa zuzo kwambiwa. Hey. And I'm looking at the video, I'm like, Adolf go wrong to a
guy.
That's the question. I think it's either in Josie or in the Pitori.
How about that true? Or na nyamba zone zona kwambiwa. Asi
Rani said Pumala
1212 hamba. Nani ko fera nyamba zone. Hey Adolf urazi nyamba manu.
Kimuna mazondo mbuza ori. The question ori before that guy to rewind. Video it was already rolling.
Yeah.
Nuzo kwambo that was prepared.
Ndinyo kujia video.
Ndinya kujia video ngotomera tonangwa easy target ndingera watu wana mama's boy.
Mara ya kuruwa tonga ni diwa man.
Wana mama's boy. Wana wasina misipo. Wana fi adam msipo.
1212 pa.
Apa paka.
Ai ndi steering cha kuma. So zore homu na cha fi Mr. Toyando, Mr. Pitori kana Mr. Josie. Adolf Mr. Josie.
The left and right. Mara, imagine is it a way of trying to get attention yabatu? Is it a way to try to get to trend? Kind of mean.
For the first, the reason you already buy video, come so your video. We don't funga so.
Niko romu tuna kuni fedza.
So ndinyi wa kujia video. Ni mngana wa Adolf kana ndinyi. Kana ndi mufiri wa gondo.
It doesn't look like mufiri wa gondo ngori video yojiwa. Adolf ayaranga angeka counteraba ko walk akodela nga afa. Achisika chirwela out na sedzai.
But abetu ndi ndakaringa
ngomu arwana pula petu.
Mara ndakona chinga kufuka dzibhadha musa Adolf.
Orwa mutu mula out ya jumpela bada yashabela ngeni So it looks like it's either lasuti or plan wa before abono vya ha. Mama's boy mafa. Artemero ro mama's boy. Iwangwa foda ini. Kobo.
Simozore ya ndi steering cha bukoma na Josie.
Ndi steering.
Ndi steering cha.
Mara no one thing is sorry. If it's all about trending, it's about fame. Whether it's staged or the user stage one, mara mpamola so stage one. Pumala.
Udonga mpamola uroka kachiskopo.
Ela muno paka. But yo man, this is there.
Adolfo kari kwame.
Arivuzori.
Aribe mafungwa.
What do you mean?
Ngore
so
Josie unadzinkabi Josie.
Ako rochi sushankabi no chipa.
Home fan. Or what you zuri chaona chine. Sorry ya.
Yela ngam record score. Hi man.
Wema kubani phumala. Wochirwani.
Eshulali. Phumala.
Wochirwani. Hey Mara, rest in peace, man. Rest in peace to
Mr. Shayi,
to one of the legends.
Yeah, man. Legendary Patric Shayi.
Rest in peace,
Mr. Shayi, man.
Rest in peace.
One thing which is a bit disappointing in Nizori, the same people who are come drega, he's broke and all these things but he's a washed out actor.
Yeah.
Now today will change. I don't know really guilty now. I feel that guy kamsi arwara kana
the suicide.
Yeah, so. Come on.
What was the word I mean?
The whole thing, man. The never worry. You know, the impact of social media have taken a lot of young lives.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
And then imagine when everybody started shooting, social media companies never phone. I
was kind of a trend no lamona.
Cassper, you know, before I die, this and this, I wanna let's get in the ring and all that.
And the numbers over to Bakare Babari, Rufuran the roof,
yeah. The roof. So after the whole thing, I think it get too much. You gotta let it go and move on. After that whole thing, you know.
I remember the Patric Shayi. I think what was running about Deva, Upiloki Simpehu.
That guy
was Soul City. Was a Vendilan.
That
generation.
That guy has been everywhere, man. That guy has been in. Yo.
I think that guy was once one of the best actors.
He still, when he passed away, he still is one of the best. Come on.
You see?
He was still like, yeah, that guy. But you know what? People feel sometimes they can just do what they want to do, say what they want to say. I think social media have become a mass distraction weapon. Come on. It's a mass distraction weapon.
Mara, who posted a video? It was maybe his way of trying to come back to the game.
No, it was the youth and everything. It was just a stunt that went wrong. Come on. They put a stunt and the stunt went wrong. And then when it goes wrong, now we have this, man.
Yeah, man, he's so rest in peace.
Yeah, man. It is bad, man. Because of sometimes the impact of social media, people have understand social media powerful.
Yeah. There's too much depression there, man. There's too much depression. As much as social media, it can make people's dream come true.
Yeah, and it can be
It
fun.
can also break people's dreams as well. So it can make or destroy you.
Yeah,
that's why social media and there's so-called black Twitter as well, which is a Twitter on its own, which is like a cult.
Let's just be honest. It's a hell of a cult.
Dude. How many people have been cancelled because of black Twitter?
But yeah, man, it's really bad. That's why I think also Vhavenda. If he was that big and then story black Twitter,
yeah,
they're not gonna finish him off without getting to understand,
without knowing what's happening behind the scene.
Social media and also mwana wawe uva mwana mtuku osiwana ya mtuku miya mwana vaklaim uri hathogomeli mwana but ndivone vane avadzuri na mwana uri mwana ukudzura naye ndiyenda kumthogomela un'wana suzwa bad on social media and people attack the guy. Wabona akusumesana zori nazo nonga December da mwana udzivira zvamro songokuviwa. So it's like there's all these stories. Yeah, because of how she was emotionally abusing him and all that. And people that were posting, they were like commenting, yeah, we know about all these things, the abuse we know Orana's charity, the mutua and all that, but behind all that, wrong, so but upenta the guy uri is this bad. And but on that side, the reason you end up writing this, because now I was like, why are you putting your life on the social media? Why are you putting all these things? But when I explained the whole story, you could feel this is how bad he is. But about the since she was 3 months. And then I think she jumps and goes there. She can't come and see the kid.
But have you realized or arena the heroes heroes it's always females?
Yeah, it's because I think the other arena zonga because as even no matter if you're doing things on your own,
you don't want
the whole world to know because you try to protect the family, trying to protect the kids. But hey, life, man.
Life.
It's crazy, man.
It's crazy, man. Hey, Mara, Zoviesa, have you ever done that? Umlando challenge. Have you ever done that,
dude? I don't track. Imagine me trekking. Like that's just imagine.
But is that thing trekking?
Hey, I'm calling it trekking, man. Niggas are trekking.
Don't wanna black coffee in Nigeria, although we are one reach your trek South Africa.
Man. No oskido go sunya.
No oskido ako fara zivaso
close kwa kushonja. Ne una sunya ko Umlando. Sunya ko shonga duwa.
Mara kama ngoba tuzo backfire Dineo Ranaka.
Yeah, I saw that she's suspended and all that.
Which means we're not different between SABC owned radio station and the private radio station because
no, even on SA, like let's just say companies are different. Come on, companies. Hey, mama's boy, come to coffee. Don't share the coffee, mama's boy. Mr. Producer, what you want to musi?
Before you
I get the coffee. One energy. And I think every working environment when I'm there Dzomo on how to. No panga gumo. No panga gumo ka coffee man. Okay, I remember. Every working environment is ndira dzaone vafaranga zvithu kana varananga zvithu. Ndingazo nichiwana uri
nani ndadisele
vatu vamwe vava matadhani vamwe vaso matadhani ukobona. But naye Dineo Ranaka sikarekala kutrend anepa akosema ila outela ako jugujera vatu vavako musema. Now
I was asking someone Dineo Ranaka una kasho yawe ya metro ne there's a unachipida chine uba kupa batu the advice nga the relationship ina mina I mean ask a man mara ndichisana oyo mutu zune abakuita
aziyera kwamba
ndikomanga umuntu ka ask a man uba kupa batu the advice mara uzwa ko trend uchife wasema munna
oita so
ashiri munna shithu mini he abe na blacklist utongo bya fana na blacklist
una mwana naye
na black no hey
I wonder blacklist me go like
what do you think about Dineo
Ranaka's behavior?
Ask a man show uno remara we see on the other side uzura kwasema bana mini men are trash blah blah what do you mean but on that don't wanna but I mean Tando Tabet na ka angibathi mina
ka
947 apo ngopandeliyo bona uzijeve
asura rukonu jaiva mara achakona nekaro gomo jaiva mara ini kutani okay ini komusa now I'm not doing that tracking thing mama jitati una vamwe vathu vana vakutela zvuti I think I forgot the name but I saw some girls that were doing it better. Havana mumajita nongosoko gonya zimbondo noita mini. Mutu wazidiwa zori munana vanari na maraho and ari na keve. Ungarukotoka marambo
kutoka ela sundi pari bino rimba unangwa rimba ra duma badi ra Brazil so ndishakira
vana
bola azoni la zofi zo shakira zo shakira
robolo tsipa savanna because we don't have
tsipa zo ita mira jana fara rukuda gamra
because honestly
gamra yake iko bati no fara rukusu uruku
honestly I don't know but that thing right says I
we coffee uru do we are but no reach track apa South Africa
romba ngodi
as go we South Africa man doesn't mean one thing I like about South Africa recreative man
kwa diambori wana marao and reflect ngoni kuita nila chiki chedi usokongare nasi za murunzi utongaro ruha turi ko soko yange
ziko huya
I ain't tricking tiko itazu
bana ndikomberori ndirchege ka video za Umlando mabana
we wanna see
no usikido ka TikTok over na the vacuum akwela za Umlando
nezo usikido ndrosea and as you know talking about that dancing and all that Limpopo boy una movie unofi Dark Beauty ndasokotobona kwambo ukodotamba ka Netflix I tried to get information but I didn't get it.
Is he the main star or I
think Udoba color movies he's the king of dance floor.
Oh no, Jaiva. Okay.
Yeah, it's all about dancing. Of Dark Beauty. But what's gonna happen is Dark Beauty kwambo ongwana onofi.
So I think it go on a movie.
Zobuhle or Zolushe. Zobuhle Udoba ndoda mtwana chikoloni uto abatokora bokuta joke ngaye that kid no abuse wa chikoloni make fun na miawe ona party mona kota zojaiva kishino for a plate ambudisa plate ya
not knowing
wampa moyo
she's a good dancer
basafuna mini but then hari yezu ya chibo yo jaiva tongari ndene opedzao if I'm just assuming because that was just a trailer and all the stuff ndene opedzao odithrowa Limpopo boy for being the creator I'm the creator I'm the king
wakona actor Limpopo boy
with I think it's a first time actor he blended easily to the school kids because it was about the school and then he showed character of being that ignorant undisciplined disrespectful kid who makes fun of others because maybe I'm better than them because I can do this and this. Come on. But it's a really, I think it's a really dope movie.
Obviously, other movie where Netflix the standard and the acting is proper. The standard is proper and because you can't put something on Netflix which is not proper.
Yeah. But I'm trying to Google and check stuff.
Yeah.
I didn't really get anything.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, it looks like it's gonna be a nice movie. The fact that it's all about dancing, and Limpopo boy is one of the best choreographer around. He kills it.
Watapanyeza mtu kanoa.
Yeah.
Watapanyeza. Panao watapanyeza.
Rather kochoranga Umlando.
Also ndabona Cassper poster or Barman fight here on Ranaka music is confirmed, the dates are confirmed, the tickets are also now, if you go to web tickets
they're available.
Yeah, so the tickets are on a kezo ziko thoma ka 9,000 nduri thoma ka 9,000 usika ka arore 65,000.
Let me be honest, guys, this fight is not for us.
I pay fight to go to Syria, Sun City.
No, I didn't know Sun City 450 ma.
Ranaka music.
Hey, this is not a fight. This is a business transaction.
Everyone has been saying Cassper verse is the business genius. That guy is a business genius.
Let me put it like this.
That guy on board.
People are just saying Cassper. You're forgetting his team. No, I want to give credit at some most of the time. I want to go and give credit to everyone.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Tilly.
The manager.
The manager of Cassper.
Hey,
that guy is a genius. Then you have Cassper and the rest of other guys. When you go Shuma, his PR, his marketing, all those guys, like I guess never the Cassper to do things.
So I guess with what Cassper is doing, debate theory who's the best Cassper na aka Idofa. Or aka Agopal.
Man, I say something about these things. When I want to know Heineken is better than Amstel. Mara, you know for a fact they are both beers.
Ne?
You can argue all you want.
And then
so music is music. Cassper visa mona arani ni sa tuta zo fin defend yo ngandi ko fera mutu. Cassper dia track no run ko jive.
Yeah.
Aka drop mtsindo ko jive.
But I think amapungo zifana na finani. Zifana na Ronaldo na Messi. Mwana mwe umufuna enafuna ene Cassper chaone zori ukofuna mini ngongwana.
And I also see, I don't know if that looks fake, man. There's these guys who have a Claren who post or something uri Cassper rentisera Cassper goro.
Cassper mara achomo announcer gore wewe black mamone. Yeah, we are over white. No,
that's what I mean. Una rapping. No, una sono
rapper.
Una sono ni argoria no. Sasa zonzo na Alishia. Na wono rapper go. There's a lot of people that goes nani to wor matekar rap you. Na jinga
yo
rap aba yellow. Ngara no ntangoria aba yellow na visual plastic aba black. Kana umena ngara doneta ngaya no ni color yellow abar ndia represent nga color blue. Then na onori people think namateki I sigis masna
mara not to take away Cassper is a genius. He's a genius.
That nigga, big up to him.
He's a genius. Whether you like AKA or
whoever,
you don't like Cassper's music, but at this present moment, Cassper is doing the most modern.
Without even dropping anything.
Yes. What I mean, 990, they're selling like
Maguinya one rand.
Like Maguinya one randa. And now, his partnership with Drip
is doing great.
It's doing great, man. It's doing great.
We're still waiting for Kokova to see it also trend.
Please. And one thing that people should know, you cannot do this alone. There should be a team behind you. Una team ine.
La sarna ko so from to honest there nga
bra. Ko na team ko mama boy.
Wa honest there.
Tamboni. Na team na susiteni not.
We can't do it alone, guys.
Na team ko given uzitamboni. You need to have a team. But yeah. Guys, please go to web tickets. Tikiti.
9,000 to 65,000 tickets.
Yeah. Abe ndombori obviously ito wakati na bulalo mamu ndombori. Dela ni angeni to. Mama.
Badori mini. Abar ko dazu. Abar ndio shele ngo coffee. Yeah, ari shele coffee.